Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Make sure that you are subscribed down below. For today's video, we're about to create a hairstyle using clip-ins from betterlength.com. This is a hair company that specializes in textured clip-ins, and the clip-ins that we'll be using today is their Afro Kinky curly clip-in, which is a 3C4A type of texture. So my hair is freshly washed and blow dried. Now you don't have to necessarily blow dry your hair, you can just stretch it overnight by putting some plaits in it. But because I literally just washed my hair and it was all shrunk up and ish, so I decided to just blow dry to make the process easier. So first I section the front part of my hair, and I'm doing a trending type of hairstyle right now. It's not necessarily new because it is very much giving early 2000s, but it's trending right now, so we're gonna call it trending style. I don't know what the name of it is called, but it's real cute and I wanted to try it. So I'm going to put my hair in the back in a little low bun. I'm not going to put any gel or any type of extra product in the back section because it's not necessary. And then I part my hair in the front middle section, and we're going to put that hair away because that's the hair that is going to be going over or clip-in to blend. So now I'm just going to create a center part for the style, and we will be using gel for this style. We'll be using the Wetline Extreme Gel. I really like this gel and it slicks my hair down real nicely without giving that crunchy feel. So I'm just doing it in sections, about 4 sections. So I'm not putting too much in it, especially since my hair is blow dried. It kind of helps my hair to lay flat as opposed to if it was in its coily natural state. So all I had to do was use some gel and then brush that down, and I didn't have to use too much gel. Now I realized that my front section was a little bit bigger than what I needed it to be, so I'm just gonna take out some of the hair from that because I don't need all that hair to be laying in the front. So this part right here is gonna be the new section that will be lying on top of the clip-ins. So what I'm essentially doing is brushing the front part inside the bun in the back, and then I'm gonna redo the bun after I do both sides. Now since I have extra hair because I reparted the front, I'm just going to put back some of that hair that I don't need because I do not need this much hair. I don't want to have too much leave out with this style. So I'm reparting to see how much I want, and then the rest I just put inside the bun. Now once that is completed, this is how the hair is looking. I did wash the hair and dry it before installing, so all I did was use some conditioner, and I got this hair in 20 inches. It is the 3C4A texture, and they have all different types of texture to help match your curl pattern, so you can go on the website and see the different patterns. So the link for the the link for the clip-ins will be in the description box down below, along with a code, my own personal code that you can use to get a discount. And I end up using about 7 pieces of the hair, so there's 10 pieces that comes in the bundle. So all I'm doing is putting enough where it is hiding the bun, but also I don't want it to look too poofy. But you really only need 1 bundle of clip-in to have a full head of style. So if I was to leave my hair out, I wouldn't even need all 10 pieces. So I'm just going to put the smaller pieces in the front because we don't want it to show on the sides. So we go real small going upward. We use the longer pieces in the back. And then this is how the hair is looking so far. And then I'm gonna fill in a piece in the back just to make sure that the bun is covered, because I don't want the bun to be seen. So you're gonna see the back later on. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you what the back looks like, and it's completely disguised because the hair is so freaking full. Now it is time to do a little bit of adjustment. I'm just making sure that the sides aren't showing, the wefts on the sides. And then it's time to blend my hair with the clip-ins. So first I go in with water to wet my hair just to, you know, activate my natural coils. Then I'm going to be using this, the Main Choice curling or twisting gel. It's a defining gel. And I used this the other day and I absolutely love how it defines my hair without giving that crunchy feel. My hair felt so soft while still being defined. I used it in a twist out. And so I'm just going to use it to define my hair and help it to blend with the clip-in. So in some parts, I'm going to roll my hair with the curly hair of the clip-in just to make sure that it's blended together. Now another thing, because this is a natural color clip-in and my hair is more on the black side, if it was another day or another tutorial, I would dye the hair. So I think I'm going to dye it not jet black, but like a natural black later on when I use the hair again. But because I didn't use much leave out, I didn't think it was absolutely necessary right now, and it still blended well. But just keep that in mind if you have jet black hair and this is a natural color clip-in. Now I'm gonna go in with some mousse just to get the hair to be a little bit more defined. We want to make sure that it's not frizzy and the hair is looking super fresh, wash and go type of look. So I'm just running my fingers through it, adding some more water on the ends. Make sure that the ends are defined too, so you don't want to neglect the ends. And then I'm just running the product straight through the hair. Now it's time to do the edges, and I'm using the Style Factor Edge Control. I really love this edge control, and I'm just doing a little bit of swoop-to-doop in the front. If you know me, you know I love me some swoops. We're not doing it big and heavy, just something little. We're not even calling it baby hairs, it's swoops, okay? And then I do a little bit of sideburn type of situation just to give it a little flair, a little razzle-dazzle to the style. And then once that's done, I'm gonna go in with my diffuser to help the drying process and also to add some volume to the hair. I don't want it to be laying flat. I needed it to be full. So we're just gonna use the diffuser until we're satisfied with the volume. And this is the final look. Look how natural it is looking, girl. You can't tell me this isn't my hair, okay? Like on the street, anybody asks, this is my hair. I did it, so I'm claiming it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about this style. Let me know if it's something you would rock. All the details for the clip-ins will be in the description box down below, along with the code to get a discount off of your order. And I love y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.